NATO's eastern flank is quietly dismantling borders, but not for civilians. Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania have agreed to create a joint military mobility zone, removing bureaucratic barriers to allow troops, tanks, and weapons to move freely across their territories. The goal: speed, unity, and readiness for a potential conflict with Russia. Officials say the initiative is about shaving off critical hours in a crisis, when paperwork could be the difference between deterrence and disaster. The Baltic states see themselves as a single battlefield and are preparing accordingly.
In times of crisis, every hour matters. Bureaucratic borders cannot slow down our defense. The Baltic states will never again be anybody's backyard. We are the guardians of NATO's eastern flank, and we take that responsibility seriously.
Under the new model, Lithuanian forces could reinforce Riga, Estonian artillery could defend Vilnius, and Latvian troops could back up Tallinn, without waiting for approvals or customs clearances. The plan is being pitched as a military Schengen, mirroring Europe's borderless travel zone, only for war.
We have decided to establish a Baltic military mobility area, which will allow our defense forces to move military equipment on a common, standardized basis.
The ambition goes further. Baltic leaders want this military corridor expanded across Europe, dramatically accelerating NATO deployments toward Russia's borders. But Europe's infrastructure and legal systems remain fragmented, with some countries requiring weeks of notice to move heavy equipment.
By synchronizing our forces, we are not only strengthening the NATO border, but also creating a lasting foundation of stability for all of Europe.
Officials openly acknowledge the Russia threat as long-term and real, as defense spending rises and joint arms purchases, from air defense to HIMARS strike systems, accelerate. The message is unmistakable. Borders are obstacles, speed is survival, and NATO's eastern frontier is gearing up for a future where paperwork no longer stands between peace and war.